Repetition is utilizing the same visual element throughout a design to create consistency and familiarity. This could look like using the same typeface or a graphic element or even a pattern. Repetition can help a design feel balanced, and it gives it a sense of unity as well. Plus, it helps the viewer interpret and understand what you're trying to say. And hopefully you're starting to see how all of these principles play into each other, and you'll notice as the designs we look at pretty much include all of the principles we've discussed. So let's look at some good examples of repetition. So in this first example here, we have an Easter card, and the main element that is being repeated are all of these florals. So we have these beautiful white flowers all over the design, creating this pattern, if you will, or if this sense of repetition throughout the entire design. We also have little elements that are repeated, like these little stars throughout it, as well as text up here at the top and the bottom, which are the same typeface that have been repeated in terms of your subsequent or secondary important information. Here's another excellent example of repetition. This is a Kittl template for a t-shirt design, and we have the word summer duplicated all the way down this design. It's been repeated, so it creates this pattern, it creates this rhythm to the design. We also have some nice contrast happening with the first summer kind of blending into these trees and then moving into that dark orange, which also gives the theme of a sunset happening. So this is an excellent way to use repetition in your design by using the same type throughout. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.